Cloud eggs have taken the breakfast scene by storm, captivating food enthusiasts and social media users alike with their whimsical appearance and delightful texture. This innovative dish, which features fluffy whipped egg whites enveloping a rich runny yolk, has become a trending sensation on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where visually appealing food often garners significant attention. The concept of cloud eggs is simple, yet enchanting. By whipping egg whites until they form soft peaks and then baking them with the yolk nestled in the center, you create a dish that resembles fluffy clouds. This unique presentation not only makes for an eye-catching breakfast, but also offers a light and airy alternative to traditional egg dishes. The popularity of cloud eggs can be attributed to their Instagrammable nature, as the fluffy whites and vibrant yolks create a stunning visual that encourages sharing and engagement among users. As people seek out new and exciting breakfast ideas, cloud eggs have emerged as a fun and creative option that appeals to both seasoned cooks and kitchen novices. One of the most appealing aspects of cloud eggs is their ease of preparation. Unlike some elaborate breakfast recipes that require extensive cooking skills or time-consuming techniques, cloud eggs can be made with just a few simple ingredients and minimal effort. The process begins by separating the egg whites from the yolks, which can be done with ease using the shell or a separator. Once the whites are separated, they are whipped until they reach a fluffy consistency, resembling soft peaks. This step is not only straightforward but also allows for a bit of creativity, as you can add seasonings or cheese to the whipped whites for added flavor. After forming the whipped egg whites into a cloud-like shape on a baking sheet, the yolk is gently placed in the center and the dish is baked until the whites are golden and the yolk remains runny. The entire process is quick, taking only about 10 to 15 minutes from start to finish, making it an ideal choice for busy mornings or leisurely weekend brunches. The fun of making cloud eggs lies in their playful presentation. You can experiment with different toppings or accompaniments such as herbs, spices, or even a drizzle of hot sauce to personalize your creation. As we delve into the world of cloud eggs, viewers will have the opportunity to learn not only how to make this delightful dish, but also to explore a variety of delicious breakfast recipes that can elevate their morning routine. Cloud eggs serve as a fantastic base for numerous variations, allowing for endless possibilities in flavor combinations. For instance, you can pair cloud eggs with sautéed vegetables, avocado, or smoked salmon for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Additionally, incorporating different cheeses or herbs can enhance the flavor profile, making each serving unique and tailored to individual tastes. The versatility of cloud eggs makes them an excellent canvas for creativity in the kitchen, encouraging home cooks to experiment and discover new favorites. As we explore these breakfast recipes, viewers will be inspired to think outside the box and embrace the joy of cooking, transforming their mornings into a delightful culinary experience. In conclusion, cloud eggs represent a delightful fusion of simplicity and creativity, making them a must-try for anyone looking to elevate their breakfast game. Their rise in popularity on social media showcases the power of visually appealing food, while their ease of preparation invites cooks of all skill levels to give them a try. As we embark on this culinary journey, viewers will not only learn how to create cloud eggs but also discover a range of delicious breakfast recipes that can be enjoyed any day of the week. So, gather your ingredients, unleash your inner chef, and get ready to impress your family and friends with this fun and tasty breakfast trend that is sure to brighten up any morning. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, cloud eggs offer a delightful way to start the day, combining flavor, fun, and a touch of whimsy that will leave everyone craving more.